Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Kharajki Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have seen how to do the addition of capacity. Now today we are going to see how to do the subtraction of capacity. So open your textbook page number 74, exercise 5.15, subtract. See the first one. Here 48 liter 374 milliliter minus 29 liter 296 milliliter. Now here we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so first we will subtract milliliters. In the first example here 374 milliliter minus 296 milliliters. So do the subtraction. 4 minus 6. Yes, 4 minus 6. Can you do 4 minus 6? No, 4 minus 6 we can't do. Why? Because 4 is smaller than 6. So here 4 minus 6 is not possible. Then what to do? Yes, what we will do? We will cut this 4, write as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 7. So we'll take one borrow from the 7. Okay. So 7 minus 1. Here 6 will remain and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. See, after 6 you have to count your fingers till 14. Okay. So count your fingers after 6. Yes. Tell me the answer. 14 minus 6. What is the answer? 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Correct. So what we will write here? 8. Okay. Then see the next column. Here 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. Can you do 6 minus 9? No. We can't do 6 minus 9. Then what to do? Yes. We'll cut this 6. Write as it is. And then we'll move to the neighbor. Now here neighbor is having 3. So we'll take one borrow from this 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1, here 2 will remain and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 9. Yes, what is the answer? 16 minus 9. After 9 you have to count your fingers till 16. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Correct. So write here 7. Then see this column. Here 2 minus 2. Yes, 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Now we'll subtract the liters column. See here how many liters are there? Here 48 minus 29. Okay. So do the subtraction. 8 minus 9. Can you do 8 minus 9? No, we can't do 8 minus 9. Why? Because 8 is smaller than 9. So 8 minus 9 we can't do. Then what to do? Cut this 8, write as it is. Then go to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 4. Take one borrow from this 4. So 4 minus 1, your 3 will remain. Okay, so we'll write here 3 and then this 8 will become 18. Now 18 minus 9. Yes, 18 minus 9. After 9 you have to count your fingers till 18. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Okay. Now next, see here 3 minus 2. Yes, 3 minus 2, 1. So what is the answer? 19 liter and 78 milliliter. Okay, this is your answer. Now we'll move to the second example. 260 liter 431 milliliter minus 39 liter 574 milliliter. Now start from the milliliters column. See here 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. Can you do 1 minus 4? No. Why? Because 1 is smaller than 4. So 1 minus 4 we can't do. Then what we will do? We will cut this 1. Write as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor. Now here neighbor is having 3. We'll take one borrow from this 3. So 3 minus 1, your 2 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Okay. Now 11 minus 4 you can do. Yes, 11 minus 4. Do the subtraction. After 4, count your fingers till 11. Yes, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Correct. So write here 7. Okay. Now see this column. Here 2 is there. Here 7 is there. 2 minus 7. Again 2 is smaller than 7. So 2 minus 7 we can't do. So what we will do? We'll cut this 2 and upstairs we'll write 2 as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor. Here 4 is there. We'll take 1 borrow from this 4. Then 4 minus 1. Here 3 will remain and this 2 will become 12. Okay. Now from 12 we have to subtract 7. 12 minus 7. After 7, count your fingers till 12. Yes, 12 minus 7, 5. So we'll write here 5. See this column now. 3 minus 5. Again same. 3 is smaller than 5. So 3 minus 5 we can't do. So we'll cut this 3. Write as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor here. Next place here 0 is there. So again we'll move to the next place. Here 6 is there. So first we will take 1 borrow from this 6. So here 5 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take 1 borrow. Okay. So 10 minus 1. Here 9 will remain and this 3 will become 13. Now do the subtraction. 13 minus 5. Yes, 13 minus 5. Correct. 8. So what we will write here? 8. Okay. Now we'll subtract the liters. See here. Here now how many liters we have? 9. 9 minus 9. Yes, 9 minus 9. 0. Then 5 minus 3. 2. And this 2 will remain as it is because here nothing is there. Means 2 minus 0. 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 220 liter 857 milliliter. Next example, see this third example. 472 liter 280 milliliter minus 318 liter 756 milliliter. Start from the milliliter, subtract the milliliters first. 0 minus 6. Yes, 0 minus 6 is not possible. So cut this 0. Take 1 borrow from the neighbor. Here 8 is there. So we'll take 1 borrow from this 8. 8 minus 1. Here 7 will remain. And this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6. After 6 you have to count your fingers till 10. Okay. So what is the answer? 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next, see this column now. 7 minus 5. Yes. 7 minus 5. Yes. What is the answer? 7 minus 5? 2. So write here 2. Then 2 minus 7. Can you do 2 minus 7? No. We can't do 2 minus 7. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 7. Then what to do? We will cut this 2 and write as it is. And then we'll move to the neighbor. Now here neighbor is having 2. So we'll take 1 borrow from this 2. So 2 minus 1. Here 1 will remain and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 7. See, after 7 you have to count your fingers till 12. Okay. So 12 minus 7. Yes. What is the answer? 5. So we'll write here 5. Now we'll subtract the liters. See here. 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8. Can you do 1 minus 8? No, we can't do 1 minus 8. Then cut this 1, write as it is. Take 1 borrow from the neighbor. Here 7 is there. So 7 minus 1. Here 6 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 8. Yes, what is the answer? 11 minus 8? 3. So what we will write here? 3. Then 6 minus 1? 5. And 4 minus 3? 1. So what is the answer? 153 liter 524 milliliter. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the fourth example. Read the numbers. 364 liter 193 milliliter minus 29 liter 785 milliliter. Okay. Now first we will subtract the milliliters. Now here 3 is there, here 5 is there. 3 minus 5. Again 3 minus 5 is not possible because 3 is smaller than 5. So we will take one borrow from the neighbor. Here 9 is there. So 9 minus 1, 8, and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 5. Yes, 13 minus 5. After 5, you have to count your fingers till 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Then see this column, 8 minus 8, 0. Now here 1 is there, here 7 is there. 1 minus 7. Again 1 is smaller than 7. So 1 minus 7 is not possible. So we'll cut this one, write as it is, and then we'll take one borrow from the neighbor. Now here 4 is there. So we'll take one borrow from the 4. So here 4 minus 1, here 3 will remain, and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Then 3 minus 9, again not possible. So cut this 3, write as it is, then take one borrow from the neighbor. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 1, here 5 will remain, and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 9, 4. Then 5 minus 2, 3, and this 3 will remain as it is. So what is the answer? 334 liter 408 milliliter. Okay. Next example, fifth one. 371 liter 809 milliliter minus 129 liter 934 milliliter. Subtract the milliliters first. Yes, 9 minus 4. Very easy. After 4, count your fingers till 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Correct. Then see this column. Here 0 and here 3 is there. 0 minus 3. Yes, 0 minus 3. Can you do 0 minus 3? No, we can't do 0 minus 3. Then what to do? Cut this 0. Write as it is. Take one borrow from the neighbor. Now here 8 is there. So we'll take one borrow from this 8. So 8 minus 1. Here 7 will remain. And this 0 will become 10. Then 10 minus 3. Yes, 10 minus 3. Yes, after 3, count your fingers till 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Then 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9. Yes. What is the answer? 7 minus 9. Can you do 7 minus 9? No, we can't do. Why? Because 7 is smaller than 9. So what to do? Then again cut this 7. Write as it is. Take one borrow from the neighbor. But see here, neighbor is having only 1. Okay. So if we will take one borrow from this neighbor, 1 minus 1, here 0 will remain. And this 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 9. Count your fingers after 9 till 17. Yes, 17 minus 9, 8. So write here 8. Then 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Is it possible? No, 0 minus 9 is not possible. Then again we take one borrow from the neighbor. Here 7 is there. So we take one borrow from this 7. 7 minus 1, here 6 will remain. And this 0 will become 10. Now you can do the subtraction. 10 minus 9. Yes, what is the answer? 1. Then 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. So how many liters and how many milliliters are remaining? 241 liter 875 milliliters. Understood? Okay. Now we will see the sixth one. 843 liter 88 milliliter minus 628 liter 297 milliliters. Now see students, subtract the milliliters first. 8 minus 7. Yes, 1. 8 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Then cut this 8. go to the neighbor, but here nothing is there, means here 0 is there. Okay, so again we'll move to the next neighbor. Here 3 is there, we take 1 borrow from this 3, so here 2 will remain, and then this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take 1 borrow, so 10 minus 1, here 9 will remain, and this 8 will become 18. Now 18 minus 9, 9. Then 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, so how many milliliters are remaining? 791 milliliter. Now subtract the liters. 2 minus 8. See here, 2 minus 8. Again it is not possible, so we take 1 borrow from the neighbor. Here 4 is there, so 4 minus 1, here 3 will remain, and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8. Yes, 12 minus 8, what is the answer? 12 minus 8, 4. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Then 8 minus 6, 2. So the answer is 214 liter, 791 milliliter. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example. 7th one. 552 liter, 46 milliliter minus 219 liter, 378 milliliters. Okay. Now we'll subtract the milliliters first. 6 minus 8. Is it possible? 6 minus 8 is not possible. Then we'll cut this 6. We'll write as it is, and then we'll take 1 borrow from the neighbor. Here 4 is there, so we'll take 1 borrow from this 4. So 4 minus 1, here 3 will remain, and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 8, 8. Then 3 minus 7. Again it is not possible, so again we'll move to the neighbor, but see here nothing is there, means here 0 is there, so again we'll move to the next neighbor. We'll take 1 borrow from this 2, so here 1 will remain, and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we'll take 1 borrow, so 10 minus 1, here 9, and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 7. Yes, 13 minus 7, 6. Then 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. Now we will subtract the liters. Here 1 is there, here 9 is there. 1 minus 9. Is it possible? 1 minus 9? No. Because 1 is smaller than 9. So 1 minus 9 we can't do. Then what to do? We will take 1 borrow. Okay. So from 5 we will take 1 borrow. From 5, if we will take 1 borrow, here 4 will remain, and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 9, after 9, count your fingers till 11. So 11 minus 9, 2. Then 4 minus 1, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So the answer is 332 liter, 668 milliliters. Understood? Okay. Now see the last example. 8th one. 136 liter, 53 milliliter minus 18 liter, 276 milliliter. First what we will do? We will subtract the milliliters. Okay. So do the subtraction. 3 minus 6. Is it possible 3 minus 6? No. 3 minus 6 is not possible. Then cut this 3. Write as it is. Then take 1 borrow from the neighbor. Here 5 is there, so we'll take 1 borrow from the 5. 5 minus 1, here 4 will remain, and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 6. Yes, after 6 count your fingers till 13. Correct. 7. So write here 7. Then 4 minus 7. Again it is not possible 4 minus 7, because 4 is smaller than 7. So 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we will take 1 borrow. But here see, nothing is there, means 0 is there. So again we will move to the next neighbor. Here 6 is there. So 6 minus 1, here 5 will remain, and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take 1 borrow. So here 9 will remain, and this 4 will become 14. Okay. Now 14 minus 7. See, after 7 you have to count your fingers till 14. 14 minus 7, correct, 7. So write here 7. Then see this column, 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. Now we'll subtract the liters. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. Is it possible? 5 minus 8? No. It is not possible. So what to do? Just we'll cut this 5, write as it is, and then we'll take one borrow from this 3. So 3 minus 1, here 2 will remain, and this 5 will become 15. Okay. Now 15 minus 8. Yes, 7. 2 minus 1, 1, and this 1 will remain as it is. So what is the answer? 117 liter 777 milliliter. Understood how to solve or how to do the subtraction? Okay, so in this way we have completed exercise 5.15. Now we'll see the next exercise, that is exercise 5.16, story sums on capacity. See the first one, read the question. Lakshmi bought 10 liter 300 milliliter milk from one dairy and 18 liter 600 milliliter milk from another dairy. What quantity of milk did she buy in all? See here, what is the question? Lakshmi bought 10 liter 300 milliliter milk from one dairy and 18 liter 600 milliliter milk from another dairy. What quantity of milk did she buy in all? See, while solving the story sum, so you have to read the question very carefully. See the word in this question, word all is there. In all. In all means what? You have to do the addition. Okay. What is the total quantity of milk did she buy in all? So here you have to do the addition. So let us do the addition here. See, what is the question? Lakshmi bought 10 liter 300 milliliter milk from one dairy. So here we'll make two columns. First is for liter and another is for milliliter. Okay. Then in that you have to leave one line for the carry. Okay. Properly you have to make box and then only you have to fill the numbers in that. Okay. Okay. Now read the question once again. Lakshmi bought 10 liter 300 milliliter milk from one dairy. So we'll write here 10 liter and 300 milliliter milk from one dairy. From another dairy she bought 18 liter and 600 milliliter milk. 18 liter and 600 milliliter. And the question is, yes, what quantity of milk did she buy in all? Means here we have to do the addition. Okay. So do the addition. 0 plus 0. Yes, here 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0. Yes, again 0. Then 3 plus 6. Yes, very easy, 9. Then see the letters column. Here 0 is there and here 8 is there. So 0 plus 8, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Very simple addition it is without carryover addition. So what is the answer? 28 liter 900 milliliter milk she bought in all. Lakshmi bought 28 liter and 900 milliliter milk in all. Understood? From first dairy she bought 10 liter 300 milliliter and from another dairy she bought 18 liter and 600 milliliter. So in this way she bought 28 liter 900 milliliter milk in all. Understood? Okay. Now see the next question. See here, second number. 2 tins contain 16 liter 350 milliliter and 16 liter 875 milliliter of oil respectively. Find the total quantity of oil in the 2 tins. See students, what that given us? 2 tins contains 16 liter 350 ml and 16 liter 875 ml of oil respectively. Find the total quantity of oil in the 2 tins. Now if you will read the question carefully, you can understand very easily the word total is there. Total means what? Addition. So what you have to do here? Here you have to do the addition. Then you will get the total quantity of oil in the 2 tins. So you have to solve this by your own. Then see the third question. A petrol pump sold 20 liter 540 ml, then 25 liter 330 milliliter and 30 liter and 50 milliliter of diesel to 3 car owners. Find the total quantity of diesel sold. Again same here also, find the total quantity of diesel sold. Total quantity. Total means you have to add these 3 numbers, then you will get the total quantity. Okay, so do the addition and see what will be your answer. Then see this fourth one. There are 2 water tanks on the terrace of a building. One tank can hold 78 liter 800 ml of water and the other can hold 59 liter 700 milliliter of water. How much more can the first tank hold? See here, they had given us the capacity of 2 tanks. The capacity of first tank is 78 liter 800 milliliter and the capacity of other tank is 59 liter 700 milliliter. And the question is, how much more can the first tank hold? See here, see, you have to see these 2 figures very carefully. 78 liter 800 milliliter and 59 liter 700 milliliter. Now here you have to do the comparison. Okay, compare the numbers. See here, liter and milliliter. In these 2 units, liter is the bigger unit. So just see the liters figure. Okay, here how many liters we have? 78 and here 59. Okay, so which one is bigger? 78 or 59? Yes, correct. 78 is greater than 59. So in the first tank, the capacity of first tank is more than capacity of second tank. And the question is, how much more can the first tank hold? Means here what you have to do, from capacity of first tank you have to subtract the water of the second tank. Okay, capacity of the second tank means here 78 liter 800 milliliter minus 59 liter 700 milliliter you have to do. So in this way you have to do your subtraction and then you will get the how much more can the first tank hold. Understood? Next example, see the fifth one. Mr. Rao got 25 liter 500 milliliter of petrol filled in her car in the morning. She used 15 liter 780 milliliter during the day. How much petrol is left in the car? See, in the morning, what was the how much petrol was there in the car? 25 liter 500 milliliter, and during the day she used 15 liter and 780 milliliter. And the question is, how much petrol is left in the car? So what you have to do here, see here the word left is there, means you have to do the subtraction. Okay, next example, Tina purchased 4 liter 250 milliliter of milk. She used 3 liter 800 milliliter during the day. How much milk is left over? Again, this fifth and sixth, both the questions are same. Here also you have to do the subtraction because the word left is there, means you have to do the subtraction. Okay, next example, see the seventh one. A milkman had 50 liter 375 milliliter of milk. He sold 6 liter 225 ml of milk to one customer and 5 liter 50 ml of to another customer. How much milk is left with him? See here, now what you have to do, a milkman had, see, initially he had 50 liter 375 milliliter of milk. From that he sold 6 liter 225 milliliter of milk to one customer and 5 liter 50 milliliter to another customer. So here first of all you have to find out the quantity of milk which is sold by the milkman, total quantity of milk, sold milk. Okay, so what you have to do, 6 liter 225 milliliter of milk plus 5 liter 50 milliliter, then you will get the total quantity or total milk sold by the milkman. Then whatever quantity you will get, that quantity you have to subtract from that 50 liter 375 milliliter, then you will get how much milk is left with milkman. Okay, now see this last question. Rajni took a water bottle with 1 liter 50 milliliter water in it to school. She drank 550 milliliter of water during the break and 275 milliliter of water while returning home. How much water is left in the bottle? Again, this 8th question is also like 7th question. This 7th and 8th both are same. So what you have to do here, first you have to do the addition of 550 ml and 275 ml. That quantity you have to subtract from this 1 liter from 50 ml, from 1 liter 50 ml, then you will get how much water is left in the bottle. So in this way today with this exercise 5.16 we have completed this lesson. In the next session we are going to start our new lesson, that is last lesson, handling data. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.